Can you pedal it? Oh, good. You can turn it. You're turning right.
Good job, Ollie.
Good thing you got that helmet on. Oh, you're back up and forward.
Wow, I'm so proud of you.
Big boy, buddy. Back up. Can you go frontwards?
It's hard to
Pedal it. You gotta pedal it. Push the pedals.
You little push to get around that corner.
Oh, look at you go. Push.
He had tennis shoes.
Good boy, buddy. Don't run into the wall. Touch the wall. You're big. Back up. Okay, can you go backwards?